Hello everyone, my name is Dinda Putri Anya. My student information number is A15 2019 01383, and right now I'm going to talk about a picture. So I have a picture right here. This is a picture of the Mother Nature. What do you know about the Mother Nature? Mother Nature is nature or weather that considered as a force that has power of human beings. Mother Nature, or as we know as Mother Earth or Earth Mother, is a personification of nature that focus on life-giving and nurturing aspect of nature by embodying it in the form of mother. So as we can see on this picture, the nature it's still beautiful, it's still fresh, that filled with many trees, good water and good air condition. But she looks so sad. Why she looks so sad? Because she will get shot by a gun who filled with a large speeding and many pollution. In this picture, as we can see, if she can speak, she will feel sad with the people who will shoot her. So when did this happen? It happens right now in our earth that we're living in. As we know, the earth that we're living in used to be beautiful. There are no many large building and pollution. Different from now. In our earth there are so many large building and pollution. The large building is for the people who are working for necessities of their life. So this happened on develop of city town, and it happens now. This building that we built in developed city was have the purpose to grow their economic at this time. So right now people is work in the office, and then there are so many house on this earth like I'm living in it now, and that reduce of the land of nature. And yes, right now there are so many pollution in our earth, such as air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution. I take example from the land pollution like forest fire in Kalimantan and in Australia. This is not only damage the nature but damage the thing that are in it. Like people in Kalimantan is deprived of oxygen, and in Australia many animals die, such as koala that who are protected and many of which are extinct. In Kalimantan and Australia, from their forest fire, it damaged to the air pollution. Many people in there is taking the oxygen which is not health because the effect of the smoke. For example of the water pollution, as recently happened, is flood in Nusa Tenggara Timur region. That things happen, it caused by ourselves, and actually we can prevent that things happening by first we have to protect our environment, like doing some planting tree and not littering somewhere. I think that's all the explanation from the Mother Nature. Thank you for your attention and see you!